Unlocking the secrets of sound sleep. Mastering the best sleep practices for optimal rest and revitalization. Sound sleep is one of the important aspects in human life. If you are sleeping well, then you can carry out the work efficiently in the next day. That is the secret of efficient working. Are you tired of tossing and turning at night, desperately seeking the elusive secret to sound sleep? So, in this video, we are going to talk about how to get sound sleep. So, in this, we are going to unveil the keys to unlocking the most restful and revitalizing slumber you have ever experienced. Get ready to transform your nights and supercharge your days with our expert guide to mastering the best sleep practices for optimal rest and revitalization. Stay tuned and prepare to discover a world of rejuvenation. So I'm going to give a lot of tips for good sleep. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. So follow the schedule. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. This is also one of the important tips. Wind down with calming activities like reading or taking a warm bath. Avoid caffeine and stimulants before bed. Say no to coffee, energy drinks, and sugary snacks. So just avoid this. Make your bedroom a sleep-friendly environment. Keep it dark, quiet, and cool. Keep all your gadgets outside your bedroom. Limit screen time before bed. Put away electronic devices what you are using an hour before sleep. Exercise regularly. This is very important aspect. Stay active during the day to promote better sleep. So when you are getting tired, you can get the sleep very easily in the night. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Find the perfect support for a good night's sleep. Reserve your bed for sleep and intimacy. Avoid using it for any other work or any other activities. So use it only for sleeping purpose. Enjoy a herbal tea. Sip on chamomile or lavender tea to relax before bed. It enhances your sleepiness. It produces hormones connected with sleepiness. Practice relaxation techniques. Try deep breathing exercises or meditation to calm your mind. So keep your mind very calm before going to the bed. Get natural sunlight exposure during the day. It helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. So it actually maintaining your circadian rhythms in your body. Avoid heavy meals before bed. Opt for light but nutritious snacks if required. Don't nap too late in the day. Keep daytime naps short and before 3 p.m. so it won't disturb your sleep cycles. Listen to soothing music or white noise. Block out all external distractions with peaceful sounds. Write in a journal. So maintain a journal. So keep a journal. Put your thoughts on paper to clear your mind before sleep. So your mind should be empty before going to the sleep. Limit alcohol consumption. While it may help you fall asleep, it can disrupt your sleep later on. So this is very important aspect. So don't think that alcohol provides sleepiness. Take a warm shower or bath before sleep. The change in body temperature can promote drowsiness. In turn, you will get fast sleep. Use relaxing essential oils. Essential oils such as lavender, valerian or chamomile can promote in relaxation. In turn, it also helps in sleep. Practice good sleep posture. So posture is one of the very important aspects. Find a comfortable position that supports your spine. Generally, people used to suggest right hand sleep. Try yoga or stretching exercises before sleep. Relieve tension in your body and promote relaxation. So yoga promotes sleep. Avoid spicy and acidic foods close to bedtime. They can cause heartburn and disrupt your sleep. So avoid these things. Use dim or warm lighting in the evening so that your body will be ready for sleep. Bright lights can signal your brain to stay awake. So try to avoid bright light. Clear your mind. So you have to keep your mind empty. Write down your worries or thoughts to get go of them before bed. Create a cozy environment for pets. Make sure your furry friends have a comfortable sleeping space. Otherwise, it will disturb during the night time. Limit daytime napping. If you struggle with feeling asleep at night, avoid long naps during the day. So don't take daytime napping, particularly prolonged napping. Remember, these tips can help improve your sleep quality, but it is essential to listen to your body and find what works best for you. If you are ready to unlock the secrets of sound sleep and master the best sleep practices for optimal rest and revitalization, order your copy of Unlocking the Secrets of Sound Sleep today. Subscribe to my newsletter for more tips on improving your sleep quality. So please watch our videos, leave a comment below and share your sleep story.